So we've been partnering with Fees to put on basically a construction club. Some after-school stuff where we can show kids the fun of construction, what opportunities there are out there in life in the construction field, because it's so vast and diverse. But we wanted to be able to let the kids get their hands on some stuff, get dirty, understand it can be such a great career for people.
Yep, just keep pushing. There you go.
So a few of the skills that the students are learning with us through this 6-week course is framing and drywall, plumbing and electrical, and then a little bit about how to patch drywall and fix and repair some walls. So some really cool stuff that they can use even at home with their parents if they wanted to.
I knew about construction before. I've got some family that's done construction. My grandpa owns a construction company. Being able to get a hands-on experience, quite literally, to be able to create something or work towards creating something is a very fun and interesting experience in my opinion.
It would be an option for me to try it out just because of all the different stuff I get to do. But yeah, it's definitely an option.
These kids have been super engaged. We really like this group. They're very hands-on. They ask a lot of questions. They're very enthusiastic. They take it seriously and they really want to learn.
If I had the chance and it was like its own class, I would 100% go for it. It is a pretty cool experience, and being able to do it every day would definitely give a lot of people more experience, including myself, and some more time and fun to be able to do something like this.
Well, it's never too early to develop a passion. Sometimes they just don't know what they might fall in love with, so it's great to expose them to all these different areas and say, hey, there's an opportunity out there, there's a career out there for any of these things if they spark joy in you.